if you're experiencing login errors on Snapchat, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. A stable connection is essential for logging in. Step 2. Update the Snapchat app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Go to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and update it if a new version is available. Outdated apps can cause login issues. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve various issues. Go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app, and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If none of the previous steps work, uninstall the Snapchat app from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing login errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Snapchat. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.